Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is not a metal detecting day, but we are working with metal today. We are fixing a metal fence that came down in a storm not long ago. So let me turn you around and show you the before, then there'll be an after later on. Here we go. So this is the before. So this is a boundary line along here. My side is on the right, the neighbour is on the left. That's Charlie the dog you might have seen a glimpse of. We are going to be straightening all this up, digging some brand new holes, cementing them in. Hey Charlie, he's a good boy. Charlie's a good boy and he loves his ball. So let's get on with straightening up, finding a good level, digging some holes, cementing them in and getting the fence up. So we've taken a post out that had concrete on it and we are chipping. Well, when I say we, not me, Jay. Jay is, thank you for helping, Jay. Jay is going to, obviously she already has, taken off that old concrete. Now, this is the only post here that's in the right position. So we will use this post as a bit of a guide. String line up there, pull it in a bit tight, and we're going to follow that string line. So we've got to dig some brand new holes. Because when we had the storm, the wind, the rain softened the ground, everything tipped over, and just got to break it all apart, get it all ready, start digging some new holes. Thanks, Jay.
No worries.
And of course in the bottom of the hole there's a big lump of concrete from the previous fence job, which lo and behold we are using the metal detecting shovel just to lever around it a little bit so we can get our hands in there and pull it out. It's actually quite a big piece, and that tree root doesn't have to be cut, so we are on the inside of that, which is very handy. That's all the concrete bits. That's the last bit. So we've got to go 400 deep. So what's that?
1.5 feet, I think.
Anyway, pretty deep. The deeper the better.
Keep going there, Bron. You're doing a good job. I love watching work. I could watch it all day. I love work.
I do like digging holes.
Ooh, we must be getting close. That's nearly 400, surely.
Definitely.
Righto. Good job.
Thanks. So we've got 3 posts in where they are going to be cemented in, and the 4th one is getting dug now. Jay's doing that, and we should be ready to start mixing up some cement. Our cement bags are just in here. So we've got concrete mix. I don't know if people know, but you never use rapid set and any fast set concrete on steel posts. You always use the good old-fashioned concrete mix, but you can use the rapid set on timber posts. So we are using the concrete mix and going down fairly deep to make sure the fence doesn't come down again next time. Good job, Jay. Good job.
Yeah.
It's hard work. This is the last of the chunk of concrete we need to chip off, and we'll put this post into this fresh hole and get on with lining it up. Right, we've got the bag of sand and gravel, bag of concrete. Time to start hand mixing. There we go. I'll get the bucket of water in the garden. Turn on the hose and start adding some water.
Yeah.
Mixing in the concrete. Splash of water, making sure it's nicely mixed in. A bit like baking a cake, isn't it, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep it wet. And all the posts are in. Everything looks nice and level. And it's only 4 holes, so it won't take long. And the dog is kind of sleeping on the job. Not terribly interested in helping, but he's a good boy. Nearly done. Rightio. Right, time to get it in the hole, hey?
Which one first?
Probably the one at the end. Should we go with the end one, the furthest away?
Let's go.
I'll move my shovel out the way over there and give you some room.
Right, now you got
Rightio.
you're in charge of that.
Rightio, we get the spirit level out, and as the cement gets shovelled in, we'll make sure that it is level. And at the moment, it's looking pretty good. Nice and level. So we've got the cement going in there. Got the spirit level. That needs to come out a little bit. Nice and level at this end. There we go.
Careful, Charlie, your ball will end up in there.
Yeah, Charlie. Charlie's got his ball there. Take it on in a bit later. Now this is a tin piece, and it's a repair of a tin fence. So reuse, recycle of an existing fence that had come down in a storm. And we are still level. Charlie, no barking. Nearly done. A couple more shovel loads. Charlie's the sort of dog that's possessed by a ball. Now we've got the first bit of rail going up, and we're using a short piece here, and we're going to do a joiner, and we'll do the same down the bottom. Well everyone, this is day 2, and as you can see we had a temporary bit of fencing up. The posts are well and truly set in the concrete, and we are ready to carry on and get the rest of the tin sheets up. That is really solid in there. Can't even move it. Let's get stuck into it. And we've got the bottom rail on. We've also got some mesh down there, because down this section of the yard we do get some heavy rain sometimes, and that area over there floods, and this way it allows the water to come on through and back down that way to the creek. So we have put the mesh in, we've got the bottom rail on, about to start on the top rail, and then we'll get the tin on. It's looking good.
Can we do it that way?
Yeah, start cutting it there.
Then it might go a bit better.
Yeah, good
Ready?
idea. I'm ready.
Righto.
Okay. Oh, all done. Now we cut these 2 pieces apart and took out this little bent piece for a reason, because we had difficulty straightening this out and we need the rails to be straight. So that's why we did that. Charlie's having a great time. He's a little bit upset because I've put his ball in here. But we'll get his ball out. Come on, buddy. You can play now. The big machinery's off. There you go. Right, Jay, get your piece up there. Line this piece up. Gonna have to saddle this one on top of the top rail. Just gonna clamp it on, get our levels right, and keep going. Right, top rails are all done. Looking good. Time to start getting on some sheet panels. So there's one there, and then there's a whole bunch laying down on the ground over there, and we'll get them up. Well, as you can see, the bulk of the sheets are on. We've only got this little section to do. Going to put a joiner up there and a joiner down the bottom. Get those last couple of sheets in, and it will be finished. Now this will all get washed obviously and be all nice, new and clean. And like I said before, this is a piece of fence that came down in a storm, and we put it up reusing the same materials. And this time round though, if there's any more rainwater or flooding or anything like that, it can actually go under the fence and take the pressure off. So let's keep going, get the job done, get it all cleaned up and make it look pretty. So there you have it. As you can see, the fence is up and the capping is on. I think Jay's on the other side cleaning the sheets so that they look nice because they've got a lot of dirt and mud on them. And then we'll be planting a garden all along the front here. So it should be quite nice. There's a creeper over there that's going to have a lattice either side of that post to spread out on. And it's going to be quite lovely when it's all finished. One fencing project finished. Sort of, nearly.
Right, the fence is all done. It's looking great. Giving it a good clean. Oh, look, who's over the other side of the fence there? Hello, Brun.
Hello neighbour, how are you going?
Good, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Fence looks great. We've done a great job once again.
Yeah.
Very happy with it. Got a little bit of extra ridge capping there. That capping needs to be screwed on, but it's looking fantastic.
Sure is, yay.
Yay, finally.
Just giving it a good clean up. Looking nice. Just got a final bit of capping there to do at the end. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Very happy with it. What about you, Brun? You very happy?
Really happy with it, finally. Get some plants in here and green it up a bit. It's going to be awesome.
Yay!
Thank you for watching. Bye for now.